What you're seeing here is one of the first pieces that Uli Pauli and Glenn Lera from California did in a corporation. It was a series called The Visionary Gem Art, where Glenn Lera who's a specialist in faceting of the stone, created all these beautiful facets so that the carvings that are in there are mirrored on or reflected on either side. So that sometimes the carving on one side and the carving on the other side make one whole. And it's very difficult to capture this in a video or even in a photo. And I think you've done a great job.